Hi guys, so we'll be making this fudge brownie mix with chocolate chips. The ingredients are the fudge brownie mix and then 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of oil. Yep. And for this fudge brownie mix, it actually includes the baking tray already, and the mix, and some chocolate chips. There, small baking tray. So let's get started. So we have added the fudge brownie mix first in the bowl. Then we'll be adding the 1 egg. 4 teaspoons of oil. Sorry, it's teaspoon, not tablespoon, like I said earlier. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and is that 4 already? Okay. And then we can add the water. Some water, the 4 teaspoon of water. There, we've added the 4 teaspoon of water. After we've mixed it well, we can add it in this small tray. We can now spread the mixture in this small baking pan. Yep, or baking tray. That's it. So now we can add the chocolate chips that is included in this fudge brownie mix. You can sprinkle this chocolate chips evenly on this prepared batter. Alright, so we're going to be putting this in the oven toaster for between 10 to 15 minutes with 175 Celsius. Alright, place in the oven toaster now. There. You can also cover it with aluminum foil, but we don't have one right now, but it's fine. Alright, I think it's done. Look at that. Yummy. The chocolate chip on it. There. Wow. Looks awesome. Try one, shall we? There. You can see the chocolate chip on it. Try it. Really good. Especially with your chocolate chip, right? What do you think?
It's good.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.